Andito tayo ngayon sa Morning Fields in Calamba, Laguna to check this new foreclosed vacant lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's go and check this out. So ito po yung available na vacant lot dito sa Morning Fields. Ang total lot area po nito is 174 square meters. Okay, regular price is 3,050,000. So mga more or less 10 meters po yung frontage nito. And then yung depth niya is siguro mga nasa around 15 to 16 meters. Perimeter lot. And yung likuran niya po is New Valley Road na po yun. Yung mga bahay niya po doon is Avida New Valley po yan. Avida series. And kilat po to or tumbok. Okay, yung kalsadang to, ayan. Yan, katapat niya po yan. Again, 3,050,000 the regular price. We can ask for discount subject to management approval. Pwede natin siyang makuha around 2.8 million or around 16,000 per square meter. Okay. Below market value na po yan because ang bentahan ngayon dito sa developer, which is Santa Lucia, nasa 25,000 per square meter. And if you buy from resellers, mga more or less mga nasa 20,000 per square meter. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. Ang mode of payment po natin dito is cash or at least 30% spot down payment and 70% balance through in-house financing. Fixed po siya for 5 years at 10% per annum. So mga around 45 or 46,000 po yung monthly amortization po natin dito. Ang amenities po natin dito, meron tayong parks and playground and basketball court. And meron po ditong The Mills. Yung membership po doon is 20,000. Lifetime na po yon. So lahat po ng amenities dun sa may The Mills Country Club pwede nyo pong i-enjoy. Swimming pool, basketball court. The Mills Country Club meron po siyang monthly dues nasa 1,500 per month. And then 500 po nun is consumable. Okay? And for this subdivision naman, ang monthly dues po natin dito is 5 pesos per square meter. So technically hindi po siya part ng New Valley because New Valley is a branding name of Ayala. Pero ayan over the bakod lang po siya, New Valley na po yan. Avida series na po yan. Ayan na po yung New Valley Road. Okay. Ang daan po nito, pwede kayong dumaan sa may Mayapa or pwede rin po may daanan din po to from New Valley Boulevard. So again, if you're interested to make an offer, please message us directly. So, andito tayo ngayon sa country club nila, The Mills Country Club, to check kung ano bang mga attractions meron dito sa country club nila.